Emma is only 2 months old, and of course she didn't choose this baby grow that she's wearing now. It was her parents, the ones who just don't stop pulling faces at her. They could have opted for any other. There are millions to choose from, but they chose this one. Perhaps because they thought of all the hours that it would be in contact with her skin, or simply because they were fascinated at how we managed to turn simple seaweed into a tiny piece of clothing. The truth is that Emma doesn't seem to be interested in all these details right now. Newborns don't understand words or production processes. They live in a world of sensations, one of instinct, love, and affection. So however much we try to tell her that she's wearing a biofiber baby grow that can hydrate, stimulate, and protect her skin, Emma wouldn't know what we were talking about. We aren't worried about that. Neither are her parents. They know that although she can't understand it, her skin can.